And I think one of the biggest issues too is that people just don't know that other options exist aside from laser. So laser can be great under many circumstances, but it can also be very damaging. It can be very harmful. I've treated scars from patients that have gotten laser tattoo removal and then come to me because they have damaged skin now. But there are a couple different facets, like saline tattoo removal, for example, is an implementation of tattooing where we actually tattoo what we call a hypertonic saline solution into the tattoo itself. And what that does is that draws out the carbon-based pigment from the surface of the skin, as opposed to laser, which breaks it down to the smaller pieces and is removed through the lymphatic system. So it's definitely an option. It's something very cool that we can do with the tattoo machine, is remove a tattoo. Crazy to think about. Right. It's definitely something that I want to explore for myself here in Pittsburgh in the future, and definitely something that I would encourage patients to look into as well if they have some tattoos that they're looking to remove.
What's the biggest misconception about what you do?
That's a really good question. There's a lot of misconceptions. A lot of people think that I am a regular tattoo artist and that I do regular tattoos as well. I do not. I specifically do not call myself a tattoo artist for the reason I've never gone through an apprenticeship. I've tried tattooing a straight line. It looks like the Leaning Tower of Pisa, if I'm being entirely honest. It's not, dude, it's not. And so I always try to pay as much homage to the tattoo artist side of
The
things.
artist, yeah.
And like, hey, I respect you guys. You do art. You do a totally different thing with the tattoo machine than I do. A lot of people think that I do offer like Botox, filler, crazy stuff like that. And a lot of people just have unrealistic expectations of what we can do with the tattoo machine. And again, that just goes back to having that thorough consultation and being like, this is what we can do, and this is how it can benefit you. Okay. Okay. Oh boy.
And to see how you do. Coffee or tea?
Coffee. That's easy. Have some right here.
Cats or
I'll throw
dogs?
over both. Ooh, cats, probably. They're easier.
If you could grab one weapon during the zombie apocalypse, what would it be?
God. I'm just gonna do this for the bit and say my tattoo machine. I'll figure it out.
I was thinking
I'll
that
figure it
too.
out. I'll figure it out. I'll find a way to use it. I'll throw it. Why
Favorite
not? The first one
quote,
to die, but like
favorite quote or phrase you think about often?
so this isn't really a quote, for example, but I have a really good friend, Monica, who actually just recently did a TikTok of her running. Good for her. The only thing that runs in my family is diabetes. But she was exercising, being all like, like motivational and fitnessy, and she was like, nobody's coming to save you. You have to go and do it yourself. And actually, really funny, that was very powerful, and it pulled me out of a little bit of a slump that I was in not too long ago. So nobody's coming to save you. You got to do it yourself.
Exactly.